Because part of being chief magistrate judge is not about whether you can try a case or not. Part of that is about whether or not you can administer the day-to-day business of this court. As the chief magistrate, you are the person responsible for the appointment of 30 judges. You are the person responsible for the training of those 30 judges. It is my philosophy that the judges ought to be respectful, that they ought to be trained in every area that the court handles, and that is what I have done in this period of time. And so, while I have not been on the bench every single day, I sit 2 days a week. The other thing that I have done is I've paid the court's bills. I've updated, actually I created the court's website. So the first magistrate court website, that was what I did. It took my weekends, it took my nights. So it's more than just figuring out how to sit on the bench. And so in 2017, as court administrator, I applied for and received a grant from the National Center for State Courts. We were one of 4 courts to receive that grant. The purpose of it was to work on a pilot project in order to make our high volume calendar more usable. And what that means is people coming in off the street, how is it that they can feel that they can get justice done? So what we have done is, if you go to our website, you will see that there are videos. There are videos that walk you through what it is that happens in a case. So that's part 1. The second thing we've done is we have implemented pamphlets. And so pamphlets tell you part 1, step 2, step 3. There are pamphlets for our high volume cases. The high volume cases I'm talking about are landlord-tenant cases, our small claims cases, less than $15,000, as well as our garnishment matters. And so those are very tricky matters that the public deals with every day, and we have implemented systems to make that possible. I have one more thing, and that is we have implemented the Housing Assistance Center in order to help navigators as it relates to the landlord-tenant cases.